In this session, we will discuss the problem number 1, that is in the projection of planes, that too the triangle problem. In the question already we discussed the question that is a triangular equilateral triangle lamina we have. It is having a side length at 25 mm. It is resting on HP on one of its edges or the sides, and then the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree and edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. This is the question. When we got the question in the planes, we will solve the problems in 3 steps. The first step, second step and third step. So once we got the data, we need to analyze the data. What are the data is required to complete the first step, and what is the data is required for second step, and what is the data required for third step. Like that we need to divide the data for 3 steps. And coming to the first step, in the first step we will discuss the resting condition. Okay, the lamina is resting on which, where it is resting, on what it is resting. Like a resting condition, like whether it is resting in HP or whether it is resting in VP. That is one condition we will see. And it is resting on edge or resting on corner, we need to see. These are the 2 main conditions we need to see when the question is, when we solve the question, we need to check these 2 conditions to solve the first step. When we do the first step correct, then the rest of the things will be go smooth. If the first step is mistake, then everything whatever we do, it will be wrong. We will not consider anything. So that's why in the question they given, this lamina is resting on HP. So that's why we need to start from horizontal plane, and it is resting on one of its edges or slant, one of its sides. So that's why when they give on the side, so we can keep the side on the left side. Means mainly thing is this edge should be, when we make the surface inclination in the next step, but it will retain the side will retain in horizontal plane. Like that we need to take. Normally we can take it on left side or we can take it right side, but our convenient what we do, we will take it on the left side. How to keep this edge or the side? The side should be kept perpendicular to vertical plane. That means it will be perpendicular to XY line. Like this we need to keep it. And when we keep it, now this plane will become parallel to horizontal plane. Whatever the actual dimension is there, same dimension will become, and we can draw the top view easily. That means the first step, it is resting on HP on one of its sides. So that's why we will keep the sides on the left side. And when we see it in the top, when you rotate the horizontal plane clockwise direction, it will come down. See, it will look like an equilateral triangle with the actual dimension. And this edge or side will become perpendicular to XY line. And when you see it from the front, in the front view it is look like a just straight line. When you see it from the front, it is just a straight line it will look, but in top view it is look like actual triangle. This is the first step. So, and here the convenient distance, we can take any convenient distance. They are not given, this triangle is in front of VP having some distance, nothing that they given. So simply it is resting, we can take any convenient distance and we can do, we can leave some space and we will draw the vertical line, and the line, the length of the side they given 25 mm, so we need to take the 25 mm. And these 2 corners will be A and B. Naming our wish, we can take any naming, A, B, C, D, or PQ, RS, XYZ, anything we can name it. Here AB I taken, and to get the third point, we can use angle method. We keep the protractor and measure the angle, you can get it, or else we can use the arc method. Take 25 mm and go to the B and take center as a B and draw the arc, and from the A take center and draw one more arc where it will intersect. So that will be the C. Okay, like this we need to draw a triangle, that means the resting on HP, one of its sides. So we made it, and when we rotate clockwise direction, in the front view it is look like equilateral triangle with the actual, that means true length. And to get the top view, we know, to get the front view, we know that in the front view it is look like a straight line. To get, we need to draw projection, vertical projections from the points or these corners to XY line, and then join here with the visible. And naming, you can see this is B and this is A. When we are seeing B can be seen, A is hidden. That's why the naming of this will be B dash of A dash, and here it will be C dash. Only one corner we can do it in C dash, and whatever the naming we do in the front view, that is in a vertical plane, will be denoted with a dash, and in top view without dash. Like this the naming should be done. First step is finished. And second step. In second step, what we see in the data, almost in all the problem we will say, check the surface inclination or lamina is inclined. They will give the surface is inclined to HP or surface is inclined to VP, they will give, or lamina is inclined to HP or lamina is inclined to VP, they will give. In some cases they give the diagonal is inclined, or some other different one or two problems are there, they will give the different data. That we will discuss later. And this case they given the surface inclination, that means it is resting on HP is finished. Now this surface, entire lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. We need to tweak such that the first condition should be retained. This edge will be, or this side will be resting on HP, but this lamina make incline 60 degree. This is the 60 degree inclination. The incline to HP can be or will be shown in vertical plane. That's why we will take this straight line and we will keep the edge and we will lift the C dash such that it will make the 60 degree inclination. So we need to mark first resting side, that is B dash of A dash, mark it and take the protractor, measure 60 degree and passing through this degree line we need to draw it, and then measure this length B dash of A dash to C dash. Take B dash of A dash center and draw the arc, we will get C dash, and this one make it visible. Okay, now we made it. The surface is inclined at HP 60 degree, and then when you see it from the top, it will be looks like. See, this will retain the same length, but these two edges, when we keep on inclining, the length will reduce. How to get those 2 points? We will draw the vertical projections from the front view and horizontal projection from the top view. We will get A, and here A dash, this meeting point, this will be A, and same way B dash is on the same point, you will get B, and last C dash, and we will get C. Then join A to B, B to C, and back to A. Like this, second step is finished. And for the last step, in the last step they will be give the edge on which it is inclined to VP, or the diagonal is inclined to VP, or bisector is inclined to VP. They will give such conditions in VP. That means in the last step. Now here they given the edge on which it is resting. That means the edge is here. This AB. This AB is resting. That is inclined to VP at 60 degree. That means we need to make this edge by retaining the entire lamina inclined to HP 60 degree. It will retain same, and but this line will be inclined to VP at 60 degree. We need to make like this. That means this line should make to the vertical plane 60 degree. When you rotate clockwise direction, this will become like this. Got it? We need to make 60 degree line. On that line, we need to take this lamina and we need to keep this edge is this AB on that 60 degree line. So that's why we need to draw 60 degree line, and now I need to take this and I need to keep to maintain this AB should maintain 60 degree with VP. So that's why mark the A and measure A to B and draw the arc of the same length and join AB. To get C, measure B to C and A to C, draw the arc from B taking center and then A taking center, draw the arc at the point, we'll get C, then join it. This is a final top view, we made it. To get the final front view, we need to draw projection from all the corners, and to get the horizontal projections from the front view to finish it. C dash, we need to draw horizontal projection, and B dash of A dash is coming along the same line, no need to draw it. So one by one, A dash along the XY line, and we will get A dash is here, and then B dash, that is also along the XY line. So we can get B dash is here, down C, C dash will be here. Then now after that join A to B dash to C dash, and back to A dash. Okay. Like this we can solve the problem for you. First begin with the first step. Resting condition is on HP, that's why we taken in HP, and the side is resting, so that's why we made the side on the left side, and that should be 90 degree to XY line. And after that we got the front view, it is look like a straight line. And next one we did surface is inclined or lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree, we made the inclination and we got the front view as well as the top view. And last, the edge on which it is resting, we can see here resting edge is B dash of A dash, that means this AB, so that is inclined to BP at 60 degree. So we made 60 degree line, on that we taken this and we place the AB over here, and after that final front view we got. Like this the problem will be need to solve.